Hi everyone, this is JB from MMP Education London. Thrilled to be with you today on this amazing Goldwell channel. In here what I'm going to showcase is a micro fringe. What is a micro fringe? It's a very short fringe, often taken exactly on the hairline. This is amazing to push a strength to your actual look. So in here, as you can see, in terms of the look, I've been working on the shape which is graduated at the back, lifting the weight to enhance the flattening of the head towards the crown, but then you see you got this very beautiful length here towards the front. So the idea of this micro fringe is by going very short on the forehead, I'm going to be able to enhance all this area of the face, really showcase the face shape and enhance this part that you've got here towards the front. So here let's take a closer look at the actual section. In here I have the crown, which actually on this particular doll head, the hair separates. So it's almost as if the hair was stitched into that part. So it really shows me a strong direction going forward, but towards this side. So I followed the actual natural pattern of the hair, and then after I brought towards the other side. So again, in here what I want to do is I want to create almost a feeling of asymmetry. So where it's long on the length, on the exterior, on that side, this is where it's going to be very short with the fringe. And where it's shorter here, it's going to be a little bit longer. So it's just playing with different asymmetry. But the section is like a triangle shape on the top of the head. So now let's get to the cutting. So what we are going to do is sections are going to be close to horizontal. Why? Because horizontally, the shape falls heavier. And in here for a micro fringe, I need a lot of weight. So I'm going to bring the dolls towards here so you can see. You can see my sections going down. Now I bring the hair, then I'm going to go very steep here with my fingers, and then I'm going to cut very short. Don't freak out. It's normal. The first section, specifically on the doll, will jump. But as we're going to bring more and more hair down, the weight is going to become heavier and heavier, which control the jumpiness of the hairline. You can see the result that I'm getting to have this very short micro fringe. Now I'm going to work with the outline utilizing the clippers. So in here, very simple, it's just going to be about really shaping the shape. So I'm going to start on this side. So as you can see here with the fringe, because of a slight asymmetry of the external shape, I went for the opposite and a very gentle micro fringe asymmetric going towards the other side. Here we go everyone, this is the final look for today. So what we've done is we really worked with a very short fringe. I really hope you like it. Thank you very much for your time. JB here from MMP London. Stay safe.